Hi everyone, it's me, Muriel, and I haven't seen you guys in so long, and I miss you and Petraire, but I hope that you are all happy at home and staying safe during this time. So, I'm coming to you today to read a book about three penguins who live in the Central Park Zoo in New York City in the United States of America, my country. So, this book is about a penguin family because Friday we celebrate Family Day. And this book is a cute little story about an animal family. It is called And Tango Makes Three. So I hope that you enjoy this very much and remember to appreciate your family during this time. All right, let's get started with And Tango Makes Three. In the penguin house in the zoo, there are penguin families. Every year at the very same time, the girl penguins start noticing the boy penguins, and the boy penguins start noticing the girls. When the right girl and the right boy find each other, they become a couple. Two penguins were a little bit different. One was named Roy and the other named Silo. They were both boys, but they did everything together. They bowed to each other and walked together. They sang to each other and they swam together. Wherever Roy went, Silo went too. They didn't spend much time with the girl penguins, and the girl penguins didn't spend much time with them. Instead, they wound their necks around each other. Their keeper, Mr. Grimsay, noticed the two penguins and thought to himself, "They must be in love." So, they watched how the other penguins made a home, and they built a nest of stones for themselves. And every night Roy and Silo slept there together, just like the other penguin couples. Every morning Roy and Silo woke up together. Roy and Silo saw that the other couples could do something they could not. The mama penguin would lay an egg. She and the papa penguin would take turns keeping the egg warm until finally it would hatch. And then there would be a baby penguin. Roy and Silo had no eggs to sit on to keep warm. They had no baby chick to feed and cuddle and love. Their nest was nice, but it was a little empty. One day Roy found something that looked like what the other penguins were hatching, and he brought it to their nest. But it was only a rock. Silo carefully sat on it and sat. Mr. Grimsay got an idea. There was an egg that needed to be cared for, and he moved the egg to Roy and Silo's nest. Roy and Silo knew just what to do. They moved the egg to the center of their nest. Every day they turned it so that each side stayed warm. Some days Roy sat on it while Silo went for food. Other days it was Silo's turn to take care of their egg. Until one day they heard a sound coming from the egg. Peep, 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 it said. Roy and Silo called back. Squawk, squawk. Peep, answered the egg. And then, crack! A tiny hole appeared. And a baby penguin came out, their very own. She had fuzzy white feathers and a funny black beak. Now Roy and Silo were fathers. "We'll call her Tango," Mr. Grimsay decided, "because it takes two to tango." Roy and Silo taught Tango how to sing for them when she was hungry. They fed her food from their beaks, snuggled her in the nest at night. Tango was the first penguin in the zoo to have two daddies. Just like all the other, soon Roy and Silo took her for a swim, just like all the other penguin families. All the children who came to the zoo could see Tango and her two fathers playing in the penguin house with all the other penguins. Hooray, Roy! Hooray, Silo! Welcome, Tango! They cheered. At night they returned to their nest. There they snuggled together, and like all the other penguins in the penguin house, and all the other animals in the zoo, and all the families in the big city around them, they went to sleep. All right. So this note at the end says that Roy and Silo and Tango are real penguins who actually live in New York City. So this is based on a true story of a baby penguin with two daddy penguins. And I hope that you enjoyed it and could understand some of it in English. And I miss you all very much. And stay happy and stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye.